Guys, Unhonored here back into my own house, and we're gonna play a game that a lot of you will say it's a ripoff of Slender. Well, because it is. We're playing White Noise online, but I'm gonna play it by myself, and I might have to do 2 parts, and I'm just skipping this, because that's creepy. So yeah. White Noise Online. This is a creepy game. Actually, I kind of want to do it online. So I'll start a party. That way I can talk to you guys by myself. And if you guys see that I ended it real quick, that's because I will be ending it. I might do 2 parts if I'm playing online, because it's a long game. We'll do it Fish Monkey. Okay. So, let's see if we'll get us in there. No, let's just do quick join. Oh, okay, so I start my own game. Just because I need more flashlight power. I'm gonna beat him because he's got more flashlight power to him. He's not really mental though, but still. And, whoa. Okay, so let's play some White Noise. Now, White Noise is a scary game. And this is a new map, so it's, we have to stick with a group. And bloody footprints. That's not scary at all. Now, he will activate once we find one. He's kind of like Slenderman. You find one page, you activate him. Let's go in here. Group, follow me. I don't know this. Okay, now this. Look, there's one, and he has been activated. And these guys don't know the map. I don't know the map either. This is kinda creepy. What the heck is all this? He really starts getting jumpy when you find a wall. Okay, there's another marker, so there's got to be one nearby. There it is. Wait, that's not one. is a very intense game. And, yeah. At least there's light coming in. Somewhat. At least there's no green rock, too. I just noticed. Is that one of our guys got killed? Yeah, one of our guys. No, we're all here. That's his scream. He's out there. Hunting us down. Bloody footprints. One guy left. This ain't good. I'm really not starting to like this. Oh, that scared me. Oh no, that's him. Oh, that's him. Let's just walk straight. Let's just walk straight. Yeah, we're good now. Everybody behind me? Come on, you wimps. Oh, that's scary. That is extreme. Oh, no! Why do you have to be over there? I can tell these guys are noobs because they don't got all the good characters yet. I'm sorry I'm real jumpy, but I haven't played this game in such a long time, so I'll be real jumpy. Ooh, statues. A lot of statues. Oh, do you... Yeah! Just, walk straight. Okay, go that way, so we're gonna go this way. Follow me, please. Hurry. I don't want to be alone. I don't like this game that much. He is like Slenderman a lot. Just right there. That's all you gotta say about him. Well, he's out there. We know he's out there. Get ready. Just because I'm curious. And now it's just two of us. Oh no. Just gonna keep on walking. Now imagine playing this with your lights off. Now that is scary. More bloody footprints. Just gonna go this way. I should have picked a map that we knew. I'm sorry guys. This is like Slender's building. Only worse. Columns. Okay, this is like a landmark. Just listen. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! The one way I need to be. the one way I need to be. Let's go through that door. Green Rock, of course. That's the landmark I need to be. There it is. I'm going in. He's gonna really start getting jumpy. I'm 3 out of 8. So one of my friends wants to do a machinima. So let me just join his party real quick. Oh, dang, I can't. I always flash my light just to signal people I'm not moving or he's nearby. Now I hope I die because I want to show you what it's like to be a ghost. You don't see him, but the guy that's alive will. Don't tell me like my light's about to die. It's got OP light on it. It should be fine. And more bloody footprints. We're just gonna go that way. And if I see him and I start screaming shout, I'm so sorry. But we're gonna do part 2. See you guys when I get back. So yeah.